Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is TCL 40R 5G, and in this video I am going to show you how to edit photos in a gallery app on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our gallery, and right here we have to choose the photo that we want to edit, for example this one. Then we have to click on this icon at the bottom, and here, as you can see, firstly we can put on some filter. We can crop the photo and rotate it. Like this or like this. We can draw something with the brush. And we have also here straight line, arrow, square, and circle, or just mosaic. We can also change the size of the brush, or just erase everything like this. Here we can also write something, and we can change font, color of the text, style, and here we can just put on this signature to the text. Here we can adjust exposure, contrast, shadows, highlights, saturation, sharpness, curves, hue and BW filter. And here we have some features like dehaze and sky. And now we can save it as a new one or overwrite original. Now we have to choose the folder I want to use to. And it's right here. And that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!